Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier and more efficient. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices when it comes to precise measurements, the best 6-inch digital caliper. This is a tool that combines accuracy, ease of use, and high-quality design, making it a must-have for anyone who values precision in their measurements. Let's start with the material. This caliper is built with high-strength stainless steel, which not only ensures durability but also makes it waterproof, stain-proof, and oil-proof. This means it's not only perfect for industrial and automotive use but also great for everyday tasks around the house, making it a versatile tool for various projects. One of the standout features of this digital caliper is its large LCD screen. It's designed to give you clear and easy-to-read measurements, whether you're measuring in inches or millimeters. Switching between the two units is effortless thanks to the one-button conversion feature, which is incredibly convenient for quick adjustments. It also offers a resolution of 0.01 mm or 0.0005 inches, so you can be sure you're getting the most precise readings possible, every time. Now, let's talk about accuracy. The caliper offers an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 mm or plus or minus 0.001 inches. Which is crucial for anyone who works with tight tolerances, such as in engineering, machining, or even crafting. Whether you need to measure internal, external, height, or depth dimensions, this tool can handle it all, making it an incredibly versatile measuring device. Another feature worth noting is its ergonomic design. The thumb roller and locking screw ensure smooth sliding and accurate positioning, allowing for fine adjustments. You'll find it comfortable to hold and easy to operate for extended periods, which is essential when you're measuring multiple items. For added convenience, the digital caliper also includes an automatic shut-off feature. After 4 minutes of inactivity, the device powers off to save battery life, ensuring you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. And speaking of batteries, this caliper comes with 2 County Route 2 batteries, one pre-installed and one spare, so you can get started right away. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this digital caliper's combination of reliability, precision, and convenience will make it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from measuring parts for automotive repairs to crafting delicate woodwork or even performing routine checks around the house. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-precision caliper, this 6-inch digital caliper with a large LCD display is one of the best options out there. It's well-built, easy to use, and packed with all the features you need to make accurate measurements with ease. Make sure to check it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay updated with more honest product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.